Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type Windows features. Now click on turn Windows feature on or off. Here in Windows features, scroll down. You will find here Microsoft Print to PDF. If you see it's unchecked, that check it and install Microsoft Print to PDF. Or if you see it's already been installed, just uncheck and click on OK. Now close Windows feature and again go to search and again type Windows features. Go to turn Windows features on or off and now again just install Windows features. Go to Microsoft Print to PDF and select it and then click on OK. Applying changes and it's completed. Now click to close. Again go to search, type printer and scanner. Click on printers and scanners. If you do not find your Microsoft Print to PDF is not available here, just click add printer or scanner and it will refresh. Now you will find the printer that I want is not listed and click on add manually. Then select here the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click here. Then click on next. Here using an existing port LPT1 and then click on next. Now click on Microsoft and here you will find Microsoft MS XPS class driver 2. Select it and click on next and then click on next. And here if you don't want to share this printer, just click on do not share this printer. And if you want to share this printer to other computer on your network, just click here to share this printer. Okay, I'm clicking on do not share this printer and then click on next. Now click on finish. Now you will find your Microsoft MS XPS class 2 printer here. And if you do not, hope this will fix your issue and Microsoft Print to PDF will work. If you do not find your Microsoft Print to PDF working properly, just go to printer preferences and let Windows manage my default printer. Just turn it on and then close settings. Hopefully this will fix your issue. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.